Ibotta uses mobile data when the app connects to your account, loads cashback offers, processes receipts, and displays online content, but the amount depends on how you use the app. By the end, you'll know what actions inside Ibotta use data, how to reduce unnecessary mobile data usage, and how to check whether Ibotta is affecting your phone plan. Section 1 is understanding when Ibotta uses data. To or Ibotta, Trinati, Goidoiscori. Ibotta requires an internet connection because cashback offers, account details and receipt processing depend on communication with Ibotta's servers. Opening the app, browsing available offers, checking your earnings, and updating your account information can use mobile data. Scanning and submitting receipts also requires a connection because the receipt image and purchase information need to be uploaded for a review. The amount of data used depends on the actions you complete. Checking offers and viewing account details usually requires less data than loading images, videos, or external web pages. Some cashback offers may include additional content that loads from outside the main app. Those pages can use extra data depending on what they contain. Section 2 is reducing Ibotta data usage. The simplest way to control mobile data use is to connect to Wi-Fi when possible. Use Wi-Fi when browsing a large number of offers, uploading receipts, or completing activities that load additional content. Your phone already includes tools to monitor app data usage. On Android, open your device settings and review the mobile data usage section to see how much data Ibotta has consumed. On iPhone, open Settings, select Cellular, and check the data listed for Ibotta. These settings show whether Ibotta is using more data than expected compared with other apps on your phone. You can also limit background app activity through your phone settings if you want apps to connect less when you are not actively using them. Section 3 is checking if Ibotta is the reason for higher data usage. Review your phone's data report and compare usage during periods when you actively use Ibotta. Check the activities you completed because receipt uploads, offer pages, and other online features may use different amounts of data. Also review other apps because automatic updates, video streaming, and social media can contribute to high mobile data usage. The key points are simple. Ibotta uses data for online cashback features. Receipt uploads require an internet connection, and your phone settings can help you monitor consumption. Your next step is checking your device's data usage settings and using Wi-Fi for heavier Ibotta activities when available. If this guide helped you understand Ibotta data usage, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.